There's an old saying in real estate that you make money when you buy the property, not when you sell. This basically means that your future profit is determined by the price that you purchased the property for. In my experience, I found this absolutely true. All of the best deals that I've done started with the purchase of a property at a great price that generated great cash flow and substantial appreciation with minor upgrades. Unfortunately, in today's market, finding a property at a good price can be difficult. It's common for properties listed at a good price to get several offers over list. There are two factors that help me grow my portfolio quickly. Number one, finding good deals. Good deals that let me refinance my capital out and buy more properties. Two, I actually don't buy a lot of things listed on the MLS. I find that the best deals are off MLS. In this video, I'm going to cover my top 5 tips to find real estate investment properties at a good price. Hey, what's up, my sexy McMuffins? Tyson Dela Cruz here. Thank you so much for joining me. First thing you can do to start building a source of leads is letting your social circle know that you actually invest in real estate. If you use social media, I would recommend posting about real estate on each social media network at least once a week until you become the real estate guy or girl among your friends and family. I'll be the first to admit, when I first started doing this, it was a little bit weird, but this strategy absolutely works. I will routinely get people I haven't spoken to since high school sending me a property that their friend is thinking about selling, wondering if I'd be interested in potentially making an offer. Number 2, networking with top agents. The best deals that I've ever purchased came from real estate agents that had a client who didn't want to list their property publicly and sold it to me instead. In situations like these, there's typically only one other investor that was told about the property, and they took too long to make a decision on whether or not they want to offer on it or not. And by that time, the seller and I are already under contract. For this strategy to work, you need to do 2 things well. You gotta build trust with the local agents and let them know that you're a closer. Set clear expectations about your buy box criteria. Real estate agents that work with investors are always afraid that they're gonna go under contract and the investor doesn't have enough funds to close, or they'll get scared away by the inspections. The key here is to project an aura of confidence. Let the agents know about the past deals that you've done. Build trust with the agent that you're an investor that will actually close, and you're easy to deal with and you can get the deal done. It's equally important to let the agents know exactly what kind of properties you're looking for. If any agent knows you're the guy looking for a good deal, that's actually pretty vague. Chances are you're not going to be at the top of mind when they get a new listing. However, if you're that guy looking for a fourplex with 1 unit that he can use to house hack, or that guy that wants to buy an apartment complex with 2-bedroom units between $500K to $1.3 million, and that agent gets a property that meets your criteria, your phone will be a-ringing. Number 3, call for rent signs and CRAIGSLIST listings. I use this strategy to build relationship with agents, and it's actually very easy to do. If you're driving around town and you see a for rent sign, go ahead and pull over and look the house up on Zillow or HomePads or HomeSnap. If you don't see it listed online, congratulations, you might have a potential lead. Landlords who aren't using the most popular listing sites to rent their properties are probably older or less tech savvy, which means there's a good chance they might be looking to sell and avoid the headache of managing a rental property and being a landlord. In the same vein, another great strategy is to look for properties listed on CRAIGSLIST, but not on more popular sites. Then calling the owner and asking them about the potential sale of their property. I've made several offers using this strategy, but have yet to purchase a property I found on CRAIGSLIST. Yet, through those calls, I've created amazing relationships. Number 4, driving for dollars. Driving for dollars is a time-honored strategy that actually gets freaking results. When you source your own properties, there's hardly any other investors competing with you. This strategy is simple. Hop in your car, start driving around neighborhoods that you want to invest in, and look for properties in a state of disrepair. Overgrown grass, peeling paint, broken windows, droopy gutters, missing AC units are all great signs that an owner has neglected their updates and might be interested in selling their property. Once you find one of these properties, you can send the owner a letter, look up their phone number, give them a call, and express your interest in purchasing their property. Driving for dollars can also be a great way to find owners that might be interested in seller financing. This just simply means that they can get payments for a long period of time. Number 5, setting up a bird dog program. A bird dog program lets you leverage your network and bring you business. All you have to do is offer bonuses to anyone that brings you a lead. Think about people that you interact with that view a ton of properties and reach out to them. Maybe your mailman, cable installers, plumbers, roofers, other contractors that work on houses can be a great resource to add to your bird dog program. Guys, you gotta take action. Buying an investment property takes a lot of work, but one thing is certain, you gotta take action if you wanna make it happen. Even if it's just calling one for rent sign you saw driving by. If you take one small action towards your goal every single day, eventually you'll get there. Buying your first property is one of the hardest steps. It only gets easier from there. Stay persistent, don't give up, and hit your goals. There you have it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that like button down below. As always, be kind, rewind. Peace.